Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Venetian Resort stands as one of the most ambitious architectural recreations ever built in Las Vegas. Designed not as a themed property, but as a full reimagining of Venice's most recognizable landmarks. Many visitors know the canals and the gondolas, but the deeper details of this resort reveal just how elaborate the construction really was. The design was led by KlingStubbins and opened in 1999 on the former site of the Sands Hotel. Instead of creating symbolic versions of Italian architecture, the architects reproduced specific Venetian structures with astonishing precision. The façade of the resort includes exacting recreations of the Rialto Bridge, the Bridge of Sighs, and the Piazza San Marco, each constructed at a fraction of the original size, but built with accurate proportions and authentic architectural elements. Inside, the grand colonnades features hand-painted frescoes inspired by Renaissance ceilings, an effect created by dozens of artists working around the clock before opening day. The artwork above the main lobby isn't digital, it's real paint, applied in layers to match the depth and texture of the originals in Italy. The result creates one of the most impressive interior arrival sequences in any resort in the world. The resort is also home to the Venetian Congress Center, one of the largest convention spaces on the Strip. When the Venetian launched, it introduced a major shift in Las Vegas development by blending luxury hospitality with large-scale convention business. This strategy changed how new resorts were planned, merging tourism, entertainment, and professional gatherings under one roof. Beyond its architectural features, the Venetian has been featured extensively in film and television. Scenes from The Holiday 2006 use the Venetian suites to portray high-end luxury. The resort appears in Miss Congeniality 2 during a comedic infiltration sequence. Rat Race 2001 featured the Venetian's exterior as part of the race finale. The TV series Las Vegas starring James Caan used parts of the Venetian as stand-ins for fictional resort interiors. Numerous music videos have also been filmed here due to the iconic bridge and canal structures, which provide an instant recognizable backdrop. One detail many visitors overlook is the scale of the canals themselves. The indoor canal runs beneath the sky ceiling, designed to simulate daylight conditions with a soft diffusing glow. The lighting system subtly shifts over time to give the illusion of time passing, even though the imagery itself never changes. Every storefront along the canal was designed to resemble Venetian artisan shops, with hand-carved woodwork and stone framing that mirrors architectural traditions from the real city. Higher above, the resort's towers are built with a blazing pattern intended to reflect both sunlight and the surrounding strip environment. It's why the Venetian seems to glow differently throughout the day. The surface was engineered to create warm tones reminiscent of Venetian stone without actually using stone at all. The Venetian also includes a range of artworks and sculptures inspired by Italian Renaissance themes, including large-scale replicas of classical pieces positioned through the property. These serve to reinforce the continuity of the theme as guests move between the casino, shops, and restaurants and the convention halls. Another feature that sets the Venetian apart is the suite-only model. Every room in the original Venetian tower is a suite, a rarity among mega resorts. This commitment to spacious accommodation was part of the resort's identity from the beginning and helped distinguish it from earlier themed hotels on the Strip. The resort's partnership with entertainment companies has also shaped its identity. Over the years, the Venetian hosted Broadway-level productions, world-class culinary brands, and long-running headliners, reinforcing the reputation of the property as a complete entertainment complex rather than just a themed venue. All of these elements, The detailed architecture, the art, the engineering, the film appearances, and the immersive layout combine to make the Venetian one of the most intricate themed resorts ever built. It's a destination where craftsmanship, scale, and spectacle meet, creating a world that draws from the past while being entirely in its own creation on the Las Vegas Strip.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.